Hello, little friends. Welcome to Pattu Tales, your happy place for fun stories, magical animals, and wise lessons. Get ready to enjoy today's story, The 4 Cows and the Lion. Let's go. Once upon a time, in a bright and sunny meadow, lived 4 best friend cows. One white, one black, one brown, and one with spots. They loved each other dearly and did everything together. Wherever one went, the others followed. They were always safe and happy. But not far away, deep inside the jungle, a hungry lion was watching them. Those cows would make a tasty meal, he growled. But he couldn't attack them because they were always together. He knew he couldn't fight all 4 at once. The lion was clever. He thought hard and came up with a nasty plan. If I can make them fight and break their friendship, then I can catch them one by one, he whispered to himself. The lion began spreading lies and rumors among the cows. He told the white cow, "The black cow said you eat more grass." To the black cow, he said, "The spotted cow wants to leave you behind." One by one, the cows began to doubt each other. They got angry and stopped talking. Their friendship broke. Now, the 4 cows were all alone. No more giggles, no more grazing together. They didn't even look at each other anymore. One by one, the cows began to doubt each other. They got angry and stopped talking. Their friendship broke. One day, the lion jumped out to attack the brown cow, who was alone. She mooed loudly in fear. Hearing her cry, the other cows rushed to help. All 4 cows stood together, side by side, and the lion stopped in his tracks. He knew he couldn't win against their unity, so he growled and ran back into the jungle. From that day, the cows never let anything come between them again. Dear kids, the cows learned a big lesson that day. Unity is strength. When they were together, they were safe and strong. So always stay kind, stay close, and support your friends. Wasn't that a wonderful story, kids? Just like the 4 cows, let's always stick together and be kind to our friends. If you enjoyed the story, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Pattu Tales for more fun and